What capacity is the nuclear power plant at Kaga in Karnataka? A. 500 megawatts. B. 235 megawatts. Circa 1000 megawatt. D. 100 megawatts. The correct answer is B. 235 megawatts. What type of sounds might indicate moving debris during a landslide? A. Water flowing. B. Trees cracking and boulders knocking. C. Bird chirping. D. Wind whistling. The correct answer is B. Trees cracking and boulders knocking. What is the contamination of indoor or outdoor air by gases and solids that modify its natural characteristics called? A. Land degradation. B. Air pollution. C. Noise pollution. D. Water pollution. The correct answer is B. Air pollution. What is the primary responsibility of the ministry mentioned in the text? A. Agricultural development. B. Steel manufacturing. C. Tourism promotion. D. Coal exploration and production. The correct answer is D. Coal exploration and production. What activities of rivers, glaciers, winds, and waves form plateaus and plains? A. Sublimation and precipitation. B. Erosional and depositional. C. Tectonic and metamorphic. D. Volcanic and seismic. The correct answer is B. Erosional and depositional. Which underwater feature is found between all drilling and mining activities? A. Mumbai High. B. Abyssal plains. C. Continental slope. D. Mid-ocean ridge. The correct answer is A. Mumbai High. What causes low pressure on the adjoining ocean during the day? A. Heated air ascending from land. B. Strong ocean currents. C. High humidity. D. Descending cool air. The correct answer is A. Heated air ascending from land. What is the meaning of the Japanese term, tsunami? A. Ocean waves. B. Seismic waves. C. Harbor waves. D. Tidal waves. The correct answer is C. Harbor waves. In a geographic information system, GIS, how is different type of data of an area stored? A. As a single, complex file. B. As independent databases. C. As separate layers of the map. D. As a series of text documents. The correct answer is C. As separate layers of the map. What is an example of a fossil fuel resource? A. Natural gas. B. Limestone. C. Mica. D. Gypsum. The correct answer is A. Natural gas. What is the lower part of the crust, forming the ocean floors, primarily composed of? A. Denser basaltic rocks. B. Granite rocks. C. Metamorphic rocks. D. Sedimentary rocks. The correct answer is A. Denser basaltic rocks. Besides rising a certain height, what other characteristic defines a mountain? A. Found near a river. B. Has fertile soil. C. Has a circular plate. D. Has steep slopes. The correct answer is D. Has steep slopes. Which country was the first in the modern world to conduct a census? A. Denmark. B. India. C. Greece. D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is A. Denmark. What is one type of map classification mentioned? A. Maps based on color. B. Maps based on function. C. Maps based on material. D. Maps based on size. The correct answer is B. Maps based on function. Why is the Great Plateau considered very ancient? A. Due to its rich humus content. B. Due to its old age. C. Due to its large area. D. Due to its location in Anaim Lai. The correct answer is B. Due to its old age. What is the name for the part of the land adjoining or near the sea? A. Sea coast. B. Sea waves. C. Sea arch. D. Sea stack. The correct answer is A. Sea coast. Which feature is typically observed in the lower course of a river? A. Rapids. B. Gorges. C. Delta. D. Alluvial fan. The correct answer is C. Delta. Which district is not mentioned as having alluvial soil? A. Tiruvallur. B. Villupuram. C. Salem. D. Kallakurichi. The correct answer is C. Salem. What is the climate of Quito described as due to its high altitude? A. Eternal winter. B. Eternal spring. C. Monsoon climate. D. Eternal summer. The correct answer is B. Eternal spring. Which organization is mentioned in connection with coal in India? A. Indian Oil Corporation. B. National Thermal Power Corporation, NTPC. C. Coal India Limited, CIL. D. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC. The correct answer is C. Coal India Limited, CIL. What does a solar panel absorb? A. Solar energy. B. Resources. C. PV cells. D. Ambergris. The correct answer is A. Solar energy. An event that causes enormous damage to property and life is known as what? A. Hazard. B. Trembling. C. Disaster. D. Vulnerability. The correct answer is C. Disaster. What is the semi-molten material found in the Earth's interior called? A. Lava. B. Ash. C. Pumice. D. Magma. The correct answer is D. Magma. What is the common type of precipitation that involves tiny water droplets hanging in the air due to rapid cooling of water vapor? A. Sleet. B. Snow. C. Mist. D. Rain. The correct answer is C. Mist. Which desert is located in southern Africa? A. Atacama Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Gobi Desert. D. Namib Desert. The correct answer is D. Namib Desert. What collective term is used for celestial bodies that came into existence after the Big Bang? A. The galaxy. B. The universe. C. The solar system. D. The nebula. The correct answer is B. The universe. Between what altitudes does the mesosphere extend? A. 12 kilometers and 50 kilometers. B. 50 kilometers and 80 kilometers. C. 80 kilometers and 400 kilometers. D. 0 kilometers and 12 kilometers. The correct answer is B. 50 kilometers and 80 kilometers. Internal trade helps to promote what kind of growth? A. Balanced regional growth. B. Unbalanced urban growth. C. Slow economic decline. D. Rapid industrial growth. The correct answer is A. Balanced regional growth. Which of the following is an example of fresh water in a liquid state? A. Rivers. B. Glaciers. C. Ocean water. D. Sea water. The correct answer is A. Rivers. What characteristic defines trees in a tropical deciduous forest? A. They remain evergreen throughout the year. B. They shed their leaves during the dry season. C. They have thorns for protection. D. They grow only near water sources. The correct answer is B. They shed their leaves during the dry season. How did you score?